Hello WordPress bloggers and AI enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I am reviewing wpautoblog, and you can connect unlimited number of blogs. And let me show you some of the features. It's got a post scheduler, and then you enter in a bunch of keywords and it'll automatically create articles for each of those keywords. On top of that, everything is SEO optimized. It includes photos and videos, and not just a bunch of text, boring text. Smart automatic linking to other pieces of your content. And another really cool thing is, of course, the keyword research, and this can create articles with over 2,000 words. Beautiful formatting of the article, not just a bunch of text jumbled together. And of course, this is the newest thing, the ghost mode, or a feature that will bypass AI content detection, which is very important now. So it'll pass a bunch of these AI content detection. So here are the current pricing. It's a subscription, 25 articles per month, unlimited blogs. You can host, or you can set up one blog or 2 or 10, but you only get to have 25 articles automatically posted. And here are the prices if you want bigger scale. Again, unlimited blog sites, and you can start a free trial to see how it works. And I also have a special discount, lifetime discount link right here from AppSumo, which gives you a lifetime deal for $39 one-time payment to get, let's see here, 25 articles per month, unlimited blogging websites connected, and the articles includes 2,000 plus words long with photos and YouTube videos. And again, this is a one-time payment of $39 instead of $19 a month for the same price. And you can also buy the plan 3, which is $117 for the 150 articles a month, which is around this plan right here, which costs $89 a month, but you only pay $117 one time. So I'll leave the links down below for you guys to check it out. But again, you can sign up for free to start your free trial and see how it works. Alright, that's all for this video. If you want to see a tutorial on how to set up using WP Autoblog, stay tuned for my next video. I'll leave the link down below, so please subscribe for more AI automatic blogging tutorials and reviews. Thanks again, and happy blogging.